Casa Rossi is a small hamlet close to the town of Morsiano, immersed in the countryside of Reggio Emilia. Here we have a 3-bedroom villa with swimming pool. Immersed in the countryside, there are plenty of summer activities, walking obviously, quad bikes, cycling, and in the winter 2 ski resorts, one 25 minutes away and the other 1.5 hours away. Plenty of activities for people who like the outdoors. As you can see, the countryside is stunningly beautiful. Morsiano is around 2 hours from Bologna airport. The towns of Reggio Emilia and Parma are close by. As we enter into the main part of the property, you can see there's a garden wraps around all 4 sides of the house. Well maintained. And to the front, as you can see, there's the swimming pool. The patio to the front wraps around one side, which is where the kitchen is on the right hand side. To the right there are more parking area, up to 4 cars, unless you park like an Italian, then it's probably 2. The building in front of us there is a barn that has been converted into a workshop and a studio, and we'll take a closer look at that later in the video. Okay, let's take a look inside the house and see what we have on offer. Entry into the house on the ground floor is into a dining studio area. To the left you can see the fireplace, and that is the heating for the whole house. Downstairs is underfloor heating. We have a large lounge area to relax. As we're entering here, on the left is the kitchen, and there's a preparation kind of breakfast bar area, and there are double doors which enter onto the patio, so if you like outdoor eating in the nice summers, very convenient. To the right there is a laundry room and a small toilet with a basin and toilet. On the second floor, up the stairs, at the top of the landing is actually the main door on the left there. We enter into a large corridor, and as you can see on the right, plenty of closet space, and into the main bedroom. More closet space. I'm guessing Sue's clothing is in there. And the main bedroom has ensuite with a nice walk-in shower at the bottom there. The main bathroom, which also has shower, and as you can see a heated towel rail, separates 2 guest bedrooms. A bit of a nice view from the bathroom. And here we have one of the guest bedrooms. Unfortunately, we can't get into the second guest bedroom. They've put the dogs in there who are quite active and bark a lot. This is the main entrance, so it's kind of a balcony, and it's to the side of the house. So a small little walkway path, and at the top there was parking. So we'll go back down into the garden, and at this point we'll take a look at the barn and how that's been restored. So entering the first floor, beautifully restored, and Sue uses this as a kind of studio, and I think probably to get away from the husband. I'm joking, Sue. I think Renata was tempted to dive in there. As we enter this, it's slightly different than upstairs, as this is a workshop, storage area, and where they put all their garden equipment. So there we have it, 3-bedroomed, 3-bathroomed, with swimming pool. Has enjoyed that, and if you have, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks very much.